Right, ndinouyo ndakakwira ndege Ethiopian Airways ndakananga kupiko ndakananga ku Guangzhou ku China. Uyo ndakasvika muChina ko kwaizikanwa ndekupiko. Ndakanga ndirimbori nemunhu aiziva nezvekuchina here kutaura chokwadi. Hapana wandaiziva, ndakanga ndisina any contact. Chandaiziva chete ndechekuti ndiri kuenda kuChina. Ndinouyo ndakanolenda paGuangzhou airport. Hama dzangu ndakachiona ndapinda muairport. Icho chekusagona language kana kusavawo nemunhu akanga ari mberi hazviitwe izvozvo. So this is my experience in China on my first day. Aiwa, yaimuzvionere kusina mai hakuendwe, asi ndinokuenda chete.
Hello guys, here I am here in Guangzhou in China with my brothers here.
Hello.
Yes. This is Chris.
Yeah, Chris.
And Jeff. Yeah, so
here in China.
So as you all know that this is my first time here in China, so I didn't have anyone to assist me. So Jeff here is my guide, and Chris. Thank you very much, guys. So they are from Congo. Yeah. So Africa is big for one people. Once you see an African, you know that these are my people, right? So I'll be showing you around China how things are done here. So just stay tuned there. Stay tuned. Uncle Saint is my name. Much love and God bless.
So inside the airport, I approached Chris. Yes, the guy with in brown, the one in brown. I approached him and asked him, how do I get a taxi, and how do I get an affordable hotel, because it was almost dark. I think I left the airport at around this was around past 5. Yes, past 5 p.m. So hey, it was getting dark, so I was a bit worried about my accommodation. So I had to ask Chris. So he told me that someone was waiting for him. His friend was waiting for him. So we went out together and we saw Jeff, the guy in red, and that was Chris's contact in China. So hey, Jeff was very nice to me. Both of them were very nice to me. So Jeff told me that he was staying at a hotel where if I was comfortable, I could join them and use the same hotel. So we got in a Tesla. This was a Uber, so we got in a Tesla. They took us to the hotel, which is about almost 20 kilometers
we're just
from the airport.
Our hotel. What's the name of this hotel?
It's Coast Hotel.
Coast Hotel. So this is where I will spend my 6 days, right, in China. Yeah. So guys, we're just about to eat. Yeah, but this one it's not rice.
No, it's not rice. They call it chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, they call it chicken. It's from cassava.
Oh, from cassava. So I'm going to be trying this tonight. This is what I'm going to be eating. Yes. This is what I'm going to be eating. My first day here in China. Yes, I'm gonna be eating food from from Congo.
This ones are very cost.
Ivory Coast, yeah. Ivory Coast. So I just want to try a lot of things during my stay here in Guangzhou. Yes, so I just want to try a variety from all over. Yes, so
my guy.
Yeah, what's up?
You are enjoying your first meal
Yeah,
after
I'm
landing.
enjoying that.
After
As you
landing.
can see,
Yeah.
that's my food. I was very hungry, so
And your chicken, okay, it's too big.
chicken, rice, just like I like. I didn't know that I can find it here in China. It's only in this city. After that, you're going to eat Chinese food. It's only here.
It's only here.
Only in this city. Okay. Only here. The place where we meet. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm going to eat some. Will we finish that?
Yeah. And your food chicken, are you gonna finish it? This guy is eating the whole chicken alone. Are you gonna finish it?
Yeah.
Alone?
Not to worry.
But back home, how many people will eat that one?
I'm gonna finish. Back home, I think there are 5 in that.
5, yeah. Now he's finishing that chicken alone. Imagine. After that, after all that, this was my first day and my first night here in Guangzhou, here in China, as a Zimbabwean. My first night, thanks to my Congolese brothers, that is Chris and Jeff. You know, the way I met Chris, it was in the airport, where, you know, I didn't know where to go, since I didn't have any contact coming here. So I've learned something. You know, when you are coming to China, you need to have a contact. You need to have someone who is in China who assist you with everything that you do. Myself, I just took my risk coming here, just like how I normally do when going everywhere, every other place where I normally go. So I just want to advise you guys, when you are coming to China, don't take your risk. You have to have a contact, someone who knows about China, someone who assists you when you get here, especially from the airport, because at the airport there are a lot of scams, you know, a lot of people overcharging almost everything. So you definitely need someone who assists you when you arrive in China. Usazoite seangoseindi vanofamba nenyasha dzakawandisa, so handitye kuenda anyway. So next time I'm hoping to go to the US, and that is the exact way I will use. I will just I will just get my visa, book my flight ticket, on my way to the US. Zvimwe zvese ndonozvoona ndasvika ikoko ari ndirare zvangu. From Uncle saying, the only Zim uncle for now, Nikiti. It's much love and God bless. Good night.